Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Callie Cat is over there snooping around. So I went shopping with my bestie. We went to Walmart first and then we went over Cato's. And this is actually the first time I've ever been in Cato's, and I have to say I was really impressed. There were a lot of really cute things in here, and I bought some stuff that was a little out of my comfort zone. But I thought, well, why not? They had good prices with a good quality of clothes. So I thought, I'm kind of liking this store. And the jewelry, I didn't look at the jewelry, to buy. I just kind of glanced at it on our way out, and there was some really, really cute jewelry. Now, I didn't have a lot of time to really delve into what they had because my bestie is of an age where she needs a walker. So I kind of had to go through quickly. She bought herself a pair of pants. They didn't actually work for her. She's already tried them on, and she said they were just a little too long for her. And I'm afraid that's going to happen with one of the skirts I put in here. So let's look at what I got at Cato's. I get my receipt. So I got, 5 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my total was $109. That's before tax. So let me just show you what I got. And I really want your opinion on this because I want to know if you think this is just too wild, too much. I saw this and I thought it was adorable. I don't know why. I saw like this and I thought, oh, is that how it goes? I mean, it's got like 3 different patterns on it, 4 different patterns on it, which is why I thought maybe it would be a little too much. That's actually the back though. I thought this should be on the front. I don't know why. But this is the front, which is a little too much of this for what I'm thinking. I mean, I don't know. Very big, long dress. It has these frayed hems all through it, all where the patterns change. There's a frayed hem. So, do you think this is just too wild? I mean, I don't know. See, in the back is where the big cross of patterns is, which I actually thought would be in the front. Would it be weird if I wore it backwards? I don't know. We're going to try it on and we're going to see what we think. It's originally $52 and it's priced here at $27.99, which is what I paid for it. So let me know, comment below and tell me what you think about this. I'm just unsure. My sister said it was too busy. And so I don't know. Me and my sister do have a little bit of different taste, but I consider her having pretty good taste. So when she says no, I kind of think maybe I should say no too. This is in an extra large, I believe. Yes, it's in an extra large. So to go with that, I actually bought this sweater. This is the first sweater I've bought this year, y'all. I think this is adorable. It is a knit sweater. I'm afraid it would not keep its shape, but it is so cute and it's soft and it's got a little bit of a cuff sleeve down here. It is sewn to be cuffed. It's nice and long, so you could technically wear it with leggings. Let me see what the wash instructions are. It is acrylic, so it may actually lose its shape. Turn garment inside out to wash, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. I paid $25.99 for it, which I thought was a good price for a nice soft sweater. I just hope that it keeps its shape because it's so cute. What do y'all think? I don't know. I really like this color. I like burgundies in the fall. They just scream fall to me for some reason. All right, the next one, also a little out of my comfort zone. I don't know what I was thinking, but when I saw it, I was just like, oh, it's so cute. It has the frayed edge. The buttons go up higher than the V-neck, and then they go all the way down. It's got the frayed edge at the bottom. sleeves. And the collar is frayed all the way around. I think it just screams fall to me. I don't know why. I could probably wear this if I am going to be Scarecrow for Halloween. I could probably wear this as the Scarecrow top. But I mean, I think it's cute. I got an extra large, $22.99 is what I paid for it. So like I said, let me know if you think I'm crazy and this stuff is just not right for me. I really appreciate y'all's feedback. And while you're giving your feedback down there, I would love it if you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you're still subscribed. Press the notification bell and share with your friends. Please, I appreciate it so very much. Next item, also a little wild, but look at the cute pattern. But what's wild about it is this ruffling at the bottom. It kind of does a faux wrap. It's got buttons up the side where it has the faux wrap. Kind of a little flare at the bottom. Very cute. I just don't know what y'all think. Let me know what you think. And like I said, I still got to try it on. 98 polyester and 2 spandex. Elastic waist. For some reason, they all kind of look a little bigger than an extra large. So it makes me wonder if maybe I need a large in these from Cato's. I don't know. Now this is just a tank top. It's just a black tank top. I thought would look cute with that. Then I could put a jacket on it if I wanted to. I could put a camel jacket or something on with it. But this black tank top was $7.99. So I thought, well, why not? For $7 you can always use another black tank top. So that is what I got from Cato's Fashion. Let me know what you think. I'm going to show you my outfit of the day and then I'm going to try this stuff on. I'll be right back in a second. Alright y'all, so this is my outfit of the day. Miss Callie Cat has found a mouse to play in with. These are, why can I never remember? Okay, these are cut from the cloth pants. My black tank top I think is Time and True, and the other one is, I think, the Target brand. I'm not sure. Maybe another Walmart one. Terry and Sky, I think. I don't know. I'll list it all below for you. I'm wearing paparazzi jewelry today. Very cute paparazzi jewelry. And let's move on to trying on clothes. Alright, here's the first outfit. I left my tank top on underneath this sweater because it was a little see-through and I didn't want to be all see-through today. I thought it would look cute with this skirt, but it kind of covers up a lot of the pattern. So I'm going to hold it up so y'all can see this skirt. Now I did pull it way up, which makes it a little on the loose side. It still fits, but it is way up here. If I pull it down, it will be dragging the ground. So this is with the tag all the way in the back, I believe. Hang on. Okay. This is with the tag all the way in the back. It does show some of this. I didn't think it would. In the front. Very cute. But I'm just not sure about it. So I definitely need y'all's opinion. What do you think of the skirt? I think the sweater would work. I could wear it with leggings. I could wear it with jeans. Does it look too big? I need y'all's opinion. It's going to be a hard decision day for me, y'all. I just, you know, with the mood I'm in, with everything going on. I'm going to try the next outfit on. Alright, I just left the skirt on because I didn't just feel like going and getting a pair of jeans to put on with this. Way overload on pattern, I know. I don't think I like it. I think it's just too bulky big, even though oversized is going to be in for the fall. It is low cut, so I left my tank on underneath it. I think it's cute, and if I wanted to, of course, I could duck it in and let it fall out. Just ignore all this. I mean, it's okay. I just don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna move on to the next one, y'all. Does my skirt twirl? It's a little too long. Alright, so here's the next outfit. I put their tank on, which I think would work. I don't know about the skirt. I just, you know, it's kind of bulking right here. When I bend, I don't know. I mean, you know I love a twirly skirt, and I'm sure this one would twirl a little and flap about, but I don't know that I love it. What do y'all think? Am I just in one of those funk moods, or what? Untuck so you can see what the tank top looked like. It's a tank top, $7 tank top, it's fine. It's long. So just let me know what you think about these clothes when we do a review. I am back with my Cato Haul review. I probably will keep the black tank simply because it's always good to have a black tank around, even though I got cats and the cat hair is everywhere. I saw a t-shirt the other day. It said, I wear my cat for like glitter or something like that. It was very cute and I almost decided to get it, but I didn't. I refrained. Y'all, the tank and the sweater are probably the only things I'm really thinking about keeping. Even though everything was a good price, and I am a little apprehensive to keep this because I'm afraid it will lose its shape. But maybe if I don't wash it often, you know, I mean, to be honest, stuff like this, I'll wear, you know, to lunch, to church, whatever, and then I come home and I change into something more comfortable. I don't wear it for long periods of time. I normally don't get it really dirty. So I hang it back up and I wear it again. So maybe if I don't wash it a lot, am I trying to justify it too hard? I don't know. I didn't care for this one. I'm probably going to send it back. I have to watch back and see about this shirt, but I don't think I love it. And even though I really wanted to love this one because of all the burgundies and stuff in it, I'm probably going to send it back as well, or take it back, because I don't know if I can return it through the mail. It's just like 5 minutes from my house anyway. So unless y'all just tell me, oh no, it was great, I probably will send it back and maybe just keep these 2 items. But let me know below. Tell me what you think about everything. I also saw this really cute dress. It was, you know how they have the pictures in the front of the window? And it was kind of a lot of prints like that one was, but it was more neutrals, like animal prints, things like that. It was so cute. She had some Western boots on. She had a cute little hat on with it. And I was like, oh, I want to find that. I think I found it, but I think I don't like it as much looking at it. I don't know. Anyway, just let me know what you think. And please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, and press the notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.